G'day guys, welcome to PhotographyRides. Today we're doing part 2 of my FZ1 Generator Rotor failure. The installation of the new rotor. If you haven't seen part 1 of what happened to my motorbike, check out the link above. Now what the rotor does, it sits over the stator, and it's got magnets all around the rotor, and it spins around and it generates the power to run your bike, such as your lights and all electronics, speedo and stuff like that. It also gives power to recharge the battery. Now there's a known fault in the FZ1 rotor, as well as the R1, because it's actually from the R1 engine. The rotor's magnets are just bonded in the inside of the rotor, and they're known to come out. They're known to slip off, and sometimes, worst case scenario, they can slip off and destroy the stator as well. And I've even heard of it literally like shrapnel going through the whole stator, and metal bits going through even to the engine. So that's worst case scenario. You don't want that happening. Big mess to clean that up. I have my original stator here. This is what happened when I took it out. All the magnets have just come out on it. Yamaha did eventually do something to improve this. They had a casing. They made a new casing in the later models. They had so this is all enclosed. And that's, I don't know where you are in the world, but in Australia, Yamaha parts are fairly expensive. So I was searching on the internet and I found this great little place. It's a RM Stator, or RM Stator they're called. They're a Canadian company. I'll put a link down below of their website so you can go check it out if you wish. And not only it was good quality, but come in a reasonable price too, very cheap. This is the rotor finally come in yesterday. Now what I was saying, where it was enclosed, see this one's all enclosed, there is no magnets out in the open like the bad rotor. So that's all enclosed, all good to go. Very good quality. So that's what I'll do. I'll give it a go and see how it goes. Here's the faulty rotor. See how all the magnets have come loose. And the new rotor from RM Stators. So if you get the rotor lined up, it'll just sit right back in there nicely. Yeah, so just pushing the Allen key up against the rotor so it doesn't come loose with the magnets when I put the stator in. So just give the casing a bit of a tap to close her up, put the screws in, and then we're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. You have a great day. And we have Teddy's seal of approval.